tasty. Tell them. Tell to subscribe.
Hey viewers, welcome back to Mayuna's Kitchen with Sharik. Today's recipe is a sweet. It's a date cake. Yeah, let's go into my kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Ingredients for making date cake: 1 cup of date, 1 cup of milk. I have removed the seeds. Now I am going to soak the date in the milk. Now I'll pour the milk and soak it for 2 hours. Add the dates. Soak the dates in the milk. In a bowl of milk I have soaked and ground it into a fine paste. Here I am adding half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1.5 tablespoon ghee. Whisk it well until it becomes a little creamy. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Now I will mix it well. Be careful while mixing so that the cocoa powder does not fly everywhere. Now we can add the wheat flour. I have sieved 1 bowl wheat flour and now we will add it little by little. Here I am adding the wheat flour, 1 bowl. Little by little I will add it. I have to add a little bit of milk. I have added only 1 bowl of milk. I am having 2 bowls of milk. You have to add as much as needed now. I have poured it in a tumbler, measured it with the same bowl and poured it in a tumbler, and I am having. Now we will add little milk. Here I am adding a little bit of milk, little by little. If necessary, I will add it fully. Half bowl of milk, but I am adding it little by little. Having some chopped almonds. Half I will be adding after putting the batter in the cake tray. I don't like walnuts, so I am adding almond. If you like walnuts, you can add walnuts. Walnuts is more better. Today I am using a steel vessel to pour the batter and bake the cake. I have forgotten to add the vanilla extract, so I am adding half teaspoon vanilla extract. And I will mix it well. I am using cooker, I am not using oven. I have kept the cooker to preheat and now I will give it a good mix. I have brushed the oil and now I am pouring the batter. Here I have put the batter in the vessel. I will tap it for some air bubbles. And now I will sprinkle the almond. This is a very healthy cake. You can give it for kids. Now bake it for 40 minutes. Here I have kept the cooker and the cooker is preheated. I won't use the gasket, but I will use the whistle. And now I put the cake batter in and let it bake for 40 minutes. Be careful while putting it in. Let your hands not touch in the sides. Yes. Now let it bake for 40 minutes. See, the cake is ready. I have checked it. We'll take it out now. Sharik, you want cake? Don't touch it, it's hot. Let it cool, we'll take, okay?
Happy to you,
Yeah, happy birthday to Sharik.
cake. Happy to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Don't know.
Cake is tasty.
Get this.
Tell them. Tell to subscribe.
You to try this recipe at your home and let me know your comments in the comment box.
Okay, tell them
Like,
to
comment
subscribe.
and share it with your family and
Sharik,
friends.
tell them to like.
And thank you for watching.
Tell Sharik.